French Bulldogs love to chew, but are bones a safe choice for this adorable breed? Let's explore whether French Bulldogs can chew bones and how to keep them safe. Yes, French Bulldogs can chew bones, but it's important to choose the right type of bone. Not all bones are safe for dogs, and some can lead to serious health risks. Never give your French Bulldog cooked bones. Cooked bones, especially poultry bones, can splinter easily and cause choking, blockages, or internal injuries. These should always be avoided. Raw bones are a safer option, as they don't splinter like cooked ones. However, they should be appropriately sized, large enough that your Frenchie can't swallow them whole, but not too heavy for their jaws. If you're worried about raw bones, there are plenty of safe alternatives. Veterinary-approved dental chews, nylon or rubber chew toys. Long-lasting digestible chews like bully sticks. Always supervise your French Bulldog while they chew to prevent accidents. Remove the bone or chew if it becomes small enough to swallow or shows signs of breaking apart. Additionally, limit chewing sessions to 15 to 20 minutes to prevent overexertion or damage to their teeth. Before introducing bones to your Frenchie's diet, consult your veterinarian. They can recommend the best options based on your dog's age, size, and dental health. French Bulldogs can enjoy chewing bones, but safety is key. With the right choices and supervision, your Frenchie can satisfy their chewing instincts while staying healthy and happy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video with other Frenchie fans.